Wonderful morning, my dear students. In the last lesson, we have learned how to add big numbers by placing them in their respective rooms. Let's move forward and learn more about additions. Okay, let's try with these two friends once again, Jagrit and Virat. Jagrit has 62 ice creams and Virat has 35 ice creams. So, can you tell me the total number of ice creams? Let's start. Now, for this we have to add these two numbers, 62 plus 35. Okay, so how do we do that? The first thing to do is to place the digits in their rooms. So, the first number is 62. I place the 6 in 10th room and 2 goes to 1st room. This is 62. Now the next digit is 35. In 35, 3 goes to 10th room and 5 goes to 1st room. This is 62 plus 35. Right? Now let's start to add the digits. For this, what we have to do? We have to follow the steps which we have learned in previous lesson. Remember, the first step is to add the digits in 1's room. So I add 2 plus 5. How? How do I add these numbers? The bigger number goes to mind, and smaller number comes on finger. Which one is bigger? Yes, 5 is bigger. So 5 goes to mind and 2 fingers out. Then let's count after 5. 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Right? So where do I write it? We were adding the digits in 1's room. So we'll add the answer here only. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Now the next step is to add the digits in 10's room. Let's add them. 6 plus 3. Right. Now 6 goes to mind and 3 fingers out. Start forward counting after 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? And the answer is 9. So, we can say 62 plus 35 is 97. So, this is what we have learned before. Now, let's do one more. So, one day, teacher has given an assignment to plant trees, okay? And Jagrit planted 19 trees. How many trees? 19 trees. And Virat planted 5 trees only. So, let's find out how many trees did they plant in all. Okay? For this, we have to add these numbers. 19 plus 5. So the problem is 19 plus 5. Okay, children, can you place them in their rooms properly? Let's do that. In 19, this is 1/10 and 9 ones. So 1 will sit in 10th room and 9 will go to the 1's room. 19. And the next digit is only 5, right? We have only 5. Now 5 has just one digit. So where will I put that number? In 1's room, right? it will go to the ones room, and there is no number in the tens room, so tens digit is 0 only. So we'll write 5 in ones place, and in tens room we'll write 0. So now we have 0, 5. Okay, so because 0 means nothing, no? So it is 0, 5. Now how do we add these numbers? First I need to add the digits in ones room, that are 9 and 5. So which one is bigger number? Obviously 9 is bigger number. 9 goes to mine and 5 fingers out. Let's start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how do I write? Do I write 14 here? Answer is 14. Do I write 14 here? No, it's wrong. And 14 has 2 digits. And one room is only for 1 digit. Right? Digits don't like to share their rooms. So this is not possible to sit together in a single room. 4 will not share its room with 1. So what we have to do? 14. Let's understand. 14 means 1 tens and 4 ones. Okay, children? 4 ones. So 1 will go to the tens room, this one, and 4 will go to the ones room, right? So 4 will go to the ones room. We'll write this 4 here. Then what about this 1? This is in the tens room, but there is no tens room which is empty. So we'll create a special room for this. Tan tan tan. We'll create a special room for this. Okay, children? Yes, you can see this is a special room. And this make 1. We'll make 1 sit here. And draw circle around it, because it's a special member. It's a new member in tens family, right? It's a new member in the tens family. Now we'll add 1, 1 and 0. These are 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. And to add 3 digits, we can use fingers. So open your fingers for this one finger open. Now one more. Next is 0, and 0 means nothing, so no number. Let's count the fingers. 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 gives me 2. Okay, children, so the answer to the addition is 24. So remember the special member. It's called carryover. What we call carryover, because it was carried from here to here, from the 14 to here, right? So we'll call it the carryover. This is a special member. Now, can you try this one on your own? Let's start. This is the next problem. Try to do it on your own. This is 38 plus 49. So the first thing to do is to place the numbers in their respective rooms, right? So the first digit is 38, and the 3 will go to 1's room, and 8 will go to, 3 will sit in 10's room, and 8 will sit in 1's room. Now the next number 49. 4 will sit in 10's room and 9 will go to 1's room. So let's add them. The first thing we have to do is add the digits in 1's room, right? So the digits are 8 and 9. 9 is bigger, so 9 goes to mind and 8 fingers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Again we'll have 2 digits. Do I write here? No. First you have to find out which digit is going to sit here. Let's find out. 1 ones, 1 tens and 7 ones. Okay, so 1 will sit in 10's room, 7 will sit in 1's room, right? So the 7 is going to here in 1's room and 1 is carryover, new member in this family. So we'll write here, draw the circle. This is special member. Now the next step is to add the digits in 10's room. This is 1 plus 3 plus 4. Now again these are 3 digits. So open finger for these digits. So first digit is 1. Next is 3. Open 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 4 more fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many total fingers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the answer of these 3 digits. So total is 87, right? So we can say 38 plus 49 is equals to 87, right children? So this is how we can do any addition by making special room for the new member, and this number is called carryover. So do practice well till you can get them all correct. Bye bye. See you in the next video.